Shut up.
Stop record just for this joke. And because I literally gave voice to my song, my real version.
Let's pipe.
Woohoo! Okay, guys, let's play a game. We do a random sound each time you die.
Okay. I'm playing a platformer.
No, guys, doing the pester reaction every time you die.
I can't. I can be too loud.
I'm not even kidding. This shit is gonna take me more than 10 I forgot to do an test the reactions for a minute later.
Stop! Wanna know what I never understand?
Yeah.
Once you like, for example, in high school, we still learn Dutch. Which I don't understand.
Yeah, we do learn French in high school.
I'm like, why am I learning a language I can speak and write?
True.
For real, they do that in France too or something.
They do that everywhere, bro.
Like, why? Also, I think you should be allowed to choose, like, from the start, like in high school, which subjects you're allowed,
Yes!
you want to
I
do.
need
Because,
it!
Nah.
for
Oh
example,
shit!
like, I'm, I'm in year 2, because I failed
My mouse is all shiny
last
from
year.
fucking sweat, I swear to God, look at this shit.
Anyway, but I don't want to learn English. Like, I'm pretty good at English.
51 attempts, that's the most attempts I spent in ECB. Do not play the lightning road. I do not recommend playing this shit.
I've been it already.
I've been in it